Hi, I'm Albie from Keller Las Vegas. I'm here to give you a deep dive into the numbers of Henderson. And the reason why this comes up because you guys have asked, I'm like, is Henderson having a problem? Did the bubble pop in Henderson? And the reason why that came out because the median price for Henderson is $525. All right, well, that sounds great, right? Because the median price of Las Vegas is $485. I'm like, yeah, that seems normal, right? Absolutely, it's a 7% difference between Henderson and the city of Las Vegas. Well, the city as a whole. But when we look deeper into it, so last year's number was 548. Now we got 525 and 548. That's a difference. It's about a 4.5% difference. That's pretty good. Not really, because if you take a look at it, the prices have dropped. I'm like, all right, well, maybe, with the jobs numbers and everything that's out there in the economy, things are slowing down. But if you take a look at Las Vegas as a whole, it's up 0.5%. And if you take a look at Summerlin's up 6%, so you're looking at a 10% difference. That is a huge difference between a negative 4.5% and 6%. That's a real difference. But if we look deeper into the numbers, if we take a look at July's numbers, that's 540. I'm like, all right, that was a little bit of an decrease. That was about a $15,000 loss month over month. So if we take a look at June, that's 549. I'm like, all right, that's a little scary. Now we're looking at this 2-month trend. But then if you take a look at May was 526. And I'm like, okay, we're closer to where we are because that's only 1,000 off. Then we take a look at April, 535. All right, nothing's really happened between 535 and 526. I don't know. So that doesn't seem like a problem because we did jump up, go down, jump up, go down. And then when we take a look at March's numbers of 545, now that's really throwing stuff in the mix. Because if you take a look at the chart, it's going up and down like this. And then if you take a look at February, that's at 535. And at the beginning of the year in January, we're looking at 535. So realistically, I wouldn't panic yet and see where we are because it is oscillating up and down. We'll take a look at the next 3 months and see where we end up. If we keep seeing that trend go down, we might want to take a look and I'm like, all right, where is it going to be? But the beauty part is interest rates have been coming down. So that's a real big bargain for us because the interest rates as of this recording are 6.29. It could be a little bit lower starting next week. You never know. And then we're going to get the rate cut. So that also should help out the 10-year yield. And that's the real most important part. So any questions, concerns, shoot me a DM. And thank you for bringing this up and maybe do this video.